Hello guys, welcome to my channel. From today onwards, we are starting our new series #A to Z with Varsha. So for that, I am using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. You can use any small tip brush pen. As you can see, I am using a blank paper here. So I will use a ruler and a pencil to create guidelines. So first I am drawing 4 lines: ascender, waistline, baseline and descender. I will be doing one video for each alphabet. So starting with letter A. So here we are done with the guideline. This is the X height of the letter ascender and this one is for descender. Same here, X height. So what we will do, first we will see basic letter formation and then we will see flourishing for uppercase and lowercase letter A. So let's start. First we will see how lowercase letter A is formed. First we go with an entrance stroke, then a oval stroke, followed by a downstroke. Now first we will go up, so a thin line, then going down, then up and down. Now let's see a few flourished ones. First we will do our basic letter formation. And for doing flourishing, you can also use pencil if you are not comfortable with brush pen. And also you should go slow with your flourishing. And you can do this with a pencil for arm warm up. So here we are done with the lowercase letter A. Now let's move to uppercase letter A. First I'm going down, then up, then down. So this is basic one. Now I'm making the circular things using thin and thick stroke. If you want, you can make only thin strokes. Now for this one, I will move my hand slowly. Now moving down and doing little correction here. And this is the last one. So guys, this was all about letter A. More letters are coming soon. Till then, keep practicing.